What's up, guys? I have some good news and bad news. Which one would you like to hear first? Bad news, okay. My Stanley Fatmax sander is broken. There was a problem before with the cable, I fixed it, but now it's broken. It's not the cable, it's something else. Maybe the motor or something. I can kind of still use it, but it's kind of pain in the ass because it's changing the speed, and so I had to buy a new one. I bought a cheap one this time. Einhell brand. I have many Einhell tools. Why I bought this one? It will also use this exchange battery system, so I have these batteries, and those batteries will fit to many of those Einhell tools. Price 69. Let's see how long it will work. Good news next. My subwoofer, it's finally pretty close. The reason why I say that it's pretty close, it's in Germany. I live in Switzerland, we are neighbors, so I just have to drive there and get it. I can finally finish my subwoofer box project. I will hopefully get more bass. Before I will drive to Germany, I can do something else. I'm kind of addicted now to this end grain cutting board because I made it once and I think it was pretty easy. This time I will make it a little bit more kind of custom fit style. It's going on the top of our sink. I bought a nice glued board of oak. It's some kind of vintage style oak. I don't know what that means, but first I have to measure how wide. I want that it's exactly the same. This is 485 and this one 250. I also want this curve to be the same. That's the board what I'm going to use. It's glued board, it's oak, but it's some kind of vintage style. So it looks a little bit different. The good thing is that it's unfinished, so there is no oil. That makes my life a little bit easier. I don't have to sand it so much. I can just rip it to pieces and glue those together. Now I have to decide how thick this thing is going to be. Maybe 3 centimeters is enough. Only thing what I have to do now is glue these together. I'm going to use Titebond 3 like many times before. It's food safe, it's waterproof, and it's very strong glue. It will give me also a little bit more time because there's so much surface that I have to glue. This is not so fast to dry. So, now I will let it overnight, I think. Next day should be pretty dry. Okay, it's not bad. These are pretty easy to take away. Then I will get this through my thickness planer. And now it's good if this is going to rip here. This is long enough. This is 60 and I need only, what was it, 485. It doesn't matter if this will rip in the thickness planer. This wasn't that bad. It will rip, but not that much. That's not a problem. Next I will cut this to the right length, and then I will make these corners round and few more tricks, and then I will make it look pretty. Just a small problem. I don't know what happened here. Did I clamp this middle part stronger than these end parts? So obviously I want to have this straight, like so. That's pretty much perfect to make this round. Now I have to make a slot here. I'm a little bit nervous. I find routers a little bit scary. Maybe because it makes so much noise and this is spinning so crazy fast. I don't know any other way to do this because of this curve. This is my setup. Wish me luck. I think it will work pretty well. So is this enough? I think it is. Of course I have to try it. Yeah, I have to sand these a little bit round, pretty sharp now. It looks so nice. I really like this material. So, you know what I mean. I will cut here something, garbage to the sink, which is easy to clean, and good stuff to the plate. Very simple stuff, but I think it will make my cooking a little bit easier.